mystery unboxing. Hey guys, we're gonna do a real quick unboxing. I have no idea what's even in here. I just got this box. I think I must have ordered something. So we're gonna find out what it is, okay? So we're gonna do a real quick unboxing in my whole sustainable, trying to save and shop less and be upcycling or whatever, so buying from the RealReal and places like that. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholique, and today we are doing a quick RealReal unboxing. Mystery RealReal unboxing. I have no idea what it is because I don't even know what I ordered. So it's a mystery RealReal unboxing, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this short, but I've been trying to buy more and more things from the RealReal and spend less out of my bank account. Still be a shopaholic, but shopaholic on a budget, on a saving shopaholic. Like these jeans are from the RealReal. They were like $90 in the raw, which I think is pretty good considering like new jeans aren't even, like regular jeans aren't $90, I don't think, right? I don't know how much they would have normally been. I mean, they were like probably like $600, $800 originally from Saint Laurent. But what have we got here? Literally one little thing. What is it? What did I buy? It's a Louis Vuitton. What the heck? What did I get from Louis Vuitton? Oh my god! I don't remember. I remember getting this. It's a little pink Louis Vuitton card holder thing. Epi Leather card holder. How cute. Okay, I know I got this. This is a gift. It's normally $445. Or is that the RealReal's price? I don't know. I think that might be the RealReal's price. It's normally $445, or that's the RealReal's price, but I don't think I paid that because I know it was probably discounted, or it looks literally brand new. That's good because I think I got it. I got it as a gift, so it looks pretty brand new. It comes with a box and the dust bag and the little thing. I'm telling you guys, RealReal steals. This is a great wallet. The Epi Leather is good because it's very durable and a little understated. The LV logo is very, very small right there. Can't even see it, so you don't, it's only like, if you know, you know. And it's just winner chicken dinner. Like, seriously. And I got this as a gift, so if you're getting this gift, I love when it comes with the full set and it's actually in good condition. And I don't think they make this color anymore, or maybe they do. I don't know. I don't think they do make this color anymore. So actually it's like getting something from the past. Full set with the box and everything. I mean, that is a steal of a deal. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And keep this short and sweet. This could have been a TikTok. This could have been a shorts. Maybe I'm gonna film this again as a short. I might as well. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. I know you turn to I appreciate you spending your time. See you guys in the next one. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye. That was a whisper in case you didn't get that. Bye.